Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact model so the replacement display fits. This matters because connectors and thickness vary. Once done, power the watch off and remove the strap to access screws. Next, make sure you work on a static-free mat and use a Phillips #00 or pentalobe as required. You'll heat the adhesive to about 40-50 degrees C to soften it, or apply an eye opener for precise heat. These steps prevent damage and make the opening predictable. You now lift the softened bezel and pry at one edge, keeping the lift to 1 or 2 millimeters to find the display's ribbon connectors. This avoids tearing. After you see the connector, unscrew any small brackets and use ESD-safe tweezers to unclip the ribbons straight out rather than bending them. Once the display is free, clean remaining adhesive with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free swab. Cleaning ensures the new adhesive bonds well, which preserves water resistance and touch accuracy. You align the new display carefully. Start at one edge and press toward the opposite side to seat the ribbon without trapping debris. Once seated, reinstall brackets and screws, but leave the battery disconnected until final alignment is verified. Reconnect the battery, power on, and test touch response, brightness, and sensors. Reboot if needed. If something goes wrong, key troubleshooting. Reopen and inspect connector seating and adhesive residue. Most faults come from imperfect connector contact or debris preventing full seating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.